Building a powerful network. This is also one of the key tenets of LinkedIn.
I think that a lot of people view LinkedIn just as a recruiting tool, but I invite people to also look at it as an opportunity to really showcase your professional brand and show yourself as a thought leader in your industry.
Frame or be framed. And what that really means is if you don't own and create your own narrative, then someone not you is going to create it for you. Build your network. Make your network work for you. Connect with people in different industries so that you can expand and then finally continue to learn.